Hey guys, so I want to talk to you right now about the importance of using grout caulk inside your shower corners. We're going to be using Laticrete grout caulk. It's sanded acrylic caulk. The reason that we need to do that is that this wall on its own is its own system. This wall on its own is its own system. When you put them together, you're putting together these two systems that are individually operate on their own. So for instance, let's say there's a door or a door to the shower, not to the shower, to the bathroom is right there. Let's say a little kid came in and he slammed the door. This wall shakes. The tile will be okay, but all that stress is going to go to this corner and then it could crack that corner. On this wall, we have our laundry machine. Let's say you have a big load, that laundry machine is really kicking. It could be vibrating this wall, right? So if it's vibrating this wall, all that stress is going to end up into this corner. So when you put acrylic caulk in there, then you're allowing for that stress to be taken by this, it's flexible, right? So it's like a caulk. That's how caulking works. Too many people don't do that. Is it gonna cause your shower system to fail? Probably not. Does it look good? No, it does not. No way it looks good. It looks unprofessional and when you see a crack there. So what we have to do first, you wanna make sure that this grout joint is clean and it's empty. So when we were caulking, we're making sure that we didn't fill that grout joint in with our sanded caulking, just because then there's no room for this. You're not just caulking it to make it look good, you actually want to add that as part of the filler. So what we're going to do first is we'll cut our tip on an angle here, and nothing crazy. So first thing, we're going to go right through there, all the way from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom. Nice and slow, we're gonna overfill those grout lines. Show that. We're going to overfill the grout lines so they're bulging out. You see I'm pointing it towards the inside, so I'm actually filling them up. I'm not just, doing it to make it look good. You're actually adding that in. Just like so. I'm gonna go all the way down just so I don't interrupt this bead. So all the way down. Make sure they're nicely filled. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I have my soap water mixture. Filled it up with water, squirted some soap in there. There's not like a big ratio that I follow. When you shake it, you want to make sure that you see some foam in there. And you're gonna put it as on a mist. And then we're not soaking, we're not trying to wash this out. We just want to spray the tile a little bit. So we're gonna spray some of that soap water on there, just like so. Then I got this tool. It's a little corner tool that I like to use. It's got different diameters on here. I like to use the skinniest one because the grout lines that we're running with here is 1/16 of an inch, so it kind of looks nice and thin. Okay, gonna wet that, come right in there, and go right down. And that soap and water mixture, just allow for it to be a perfect line. I'm gonna collect that so it doesn't fall on the ground. And then we're gonna go again. Just like so. Once you get a hang of it, this becomes pretty easy to do. Just like that. That's it. I mean, there's nothing to it. That's how you get that done. If you can see, now that's filled. Usually I wait a day and then I'll come back and kind of clean that out because there's a little bit of discoloration that you'll see around it, but with the sponge it'll come right off. So again, how long did that take? That took 2 minutes, and that's me trying to explain everything. The entire shower will take you 10 minutes. So it's a 10-minute step that will set you apart from the other contractor that doesn't do this, because there's so many contractors that do cut corners, and there's so many homeowners that don't even know about this and the importance of doing this. So this is a super important step. One, to make you look more professional, and two, to just actually have the right job. I mean, for us as a company, we offer lifetime warranty on our install. So if there's a crack in those corners, the homeowner has the ability to call us and then ask for us to come back and fix it. And we don't want to do that, right? If we're offering that warranty. So please do that. It's not that hard. Once you kind of work that into your system of operation, it's really pretty easy to do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're gonna start posting a lot more on YouTube of longer form tutorials just like this one, just to kind of teach people more about this trade. And I really hope that you guys appreciate it. Thank you.